A day in atmosphere, it's a very good day because you learn more than what you think you're gonna learn. You just learn something new every day.
In the morning, I go upstairs, I sign in so my attendance is perfect. I feel prepared, I feel determined, I feel like today is gonna be a great day for Samara and nothing is gonna stop her. My science class is all about one unit. We do it for about 3 weeks. We learn everything about it. We do experiments and we basically just get to have fun while also learning at the same time.
Our kids, they have values. They believe in the character of the scholar. When you believe in a system and you become very proficient at it, you're going to have success. And that's what we have at Atmosphere Academy.
One of our lessons is reinterpreting, so making it into modern language.
In the lesson, we were trying to find an understanding of the preamble. And in the fourth station, the word tranquility came up. And we used the context of the rest of the preamble to try to come to an understanding what the word meant to us.
Somebody please remind me what an inference is.
An inference is an educated guess.
We do a lot of kinesthetic activities like gallery walks, so they're working in small groups, they're involved in it, they're up, they're moving, and we find that they're able to retain the information better.
I believe what makes our Global Studies class successful is that we believe in cooperative learning here. We always sit in pods, they work together in groups, and that they can lead and make the connections. Based on this map, and in this map, they show you the mountain range. Could Egypt and China have traded?
In this map, I kind of see no river, no bodies of water connecting except for the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
I'm the facilitator of the learning. As long as I'm meeting my essential question and the objective, that's the goal, to be this sort of like coach.
So here with this class, what they're doing is Read 180, where they're focusing on spelling, fluency, comprehension.
Right here, I'm in my reading list. This basically shows my stats from from what I'm doing, and I've read 13 books so far.
So I may pull a student and say, hey, let's focus on the genre of books that you're reading and say, this is what I want to see more. This is what's going to help you when it comes to the New York State exams, and then you can connect it with my ELA class as well.
A lot of the skills that students are using right now in this classroom will help them in the future. It's going to help them with high school. It's going to prepare them for college by really teaching them skills to understand text and, more importantly, how to write properly.
I really love this class because I get to be free, be creative, and really think outside the box, and also help me with everything I need to do in the future.
It's important for students to do hands-on activities in science class because it gives them an idea of what scientists do in the real world.
Today we learned about owls and what owls digest, which are called owl pellets. When you're doing it in the lab, you're actually touching it and you're actually seeing what you learned in class.
We used the GRR model, which was more of a I do, we do, and they do. So the first time I showed them how to actually do the problem, then we did it together, so they went through the steps. Now this is the they do. These kids are gonna be working on their own, actually trying to figure out the problem, find the answer, and actually graph the line.
I used to be a level 2, and it was because I didn't put that much effort on it. But then in 7th grade, everybody here would just focus on you, and I always started focusing on everything, and now I'm on level 4. When we graph it, we put the y-intercept, which equals 1, and we put a dot in the 1, and then we're gonna keep doing the same thing, and that's how you graph your y-intercept.
What we do here at Atmosphere is we offer an honors program for the kids, which means they are taking advanced math a year ahead of schedule. When they enter high school, they will be able to take advanced math in high school or be placed in honors math classes.
Some of the skills that they gave us on how to understand questions is making me become a better problem solver for any difficulties I have in life, whether it's an academic problem or just a life problem. I can try to change my perspective on it, and therefore I can solve it in the best way possible.
ever since I came to the school, I don't really think about all the bad stuff. I think about getting through atmosphere, having a good future, becoming a lawyer, and having everything possible and make sure everything is good so I could be the best of what I am.